Some people do this, and I'm going to do it. Easter egg. Pistachio knuffy, or whatever it's called. And we're going to put some in the Easter egg. Oh my God, this is actually a really deep one. So I'm not shall I fill it up? No, probably not. This is Tommy's, he's going to kill me. I've just told Steve to go to the shop to get some more. No. I went to my mum's for an Easter meal. If you guys saw that video, only had that. I need to come home and have some Easter stuff. My tooth is still giving me Jeff. I need to go back to the dentist. You can't speak when you've got that in your mouth. Oh my God. I needed this. That's my hair. You can see me. Been a long day. Do it. Do it. You can't talk. It's good. Oh my God. I don't want to hear it. It's Easter, right? Enjoy your Easter eggs.